So I literally started copying these 2 wallets like an hour ago, and I'm already up over 200% and $200. This is using GmGn's copy trading bot, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I found these wallets, how it works, how you can do the same and get this up and running, because copy trading can be a super lucrative way of making money from meme coins, but you do need to do it in the right way. So if you enjoy the content, smash a like and subscribe down below. If you want to get signed up to GmGn and get 10% less fees on their platform, you can do so by signing up with my link down below. Also helps support me and the channel. But if I head over to my wallet, I have not been super active with trading this last week, just because I've been busy with other things. But the only trades I've done in the last week are literally the trades I just did in the last hour from copying these 2 wallets. And so far, I'm up over $200 on it. It has all come from this specific wallet because this one hasn't made any trades yet. But this wallet that I started copying, he made this super good trade on Strip. As you can see, he bought twice and I also bought twice because I copied him, and he sold all the way to the top and then sold the rest as it went back down. But I basically copied him for $60 and sold for like 270, I believe, which obviously is a crazy first trade. I can see that just a minute ago he also bought this token. So let's see how that plays out. But let me just quickly show you how to get set up with the GmGn copy trading bot and how you can find profitable wallets and insider wallets as well straight from this platform. So if you head over to the copy trading section, this is what it will look like. So you can track all wallets, you can track smart money wallets as well as KOL wallets. KOL wallets is where I found these specific wallets. I sorted it by win rate, and obviously you can't just copy these top ones because they have 100% win rate because they've only done 1 or 2 like transactions. So that doesn't really make sense. You need to copy people that are actually making active trades, but not necessarily too many trades. For example, this guy has made over 500 transactions in the last week, meaning he's most likely a bot and you shouldn't follow him. And if we click onto this specific wallet, you can see that he bought this token at 5.14 and sold it at 5.15 within a minute after buying it, meaning he's most likely just leveraging the fact that a lot of people are copying him. He probably knows that he has a lot of copy traders, so if he buys a small token, it will most likely pump just because of people copying his specific wallet, and then he can just dump on everyone that copied him. So you want to stay away from people who buy and sell within like a minute, and also stay away from wallets making like 4 or 5, 1,000 transactions every week. Now this was one of the wallets I did start to track because he has a good win rate and good PNL as well. Only made 55 transactions in the last week. And you can see that he doesn't just buy tokens to sell them right afterwards, and he has made some really good calls on, for example, Jailstool as well as Big Balls. Obviously his last purchase was 3 hours ago, so since I just set up this copy trading feature like an hour or 2 ago, I didn't get to copy any of his trades yet. And then this was the second wallet I copied, and you can see that the tracking profit is over $200. Made this great trade on Strip, lost a little bit on FGG token, and most recently bought into this token, which I believe is up a little bit as well. As you can see, we are above our average entry. And if you do want to start copying any of these wallets, what you basically want to do is click on to the wallet. You then want to follow the wallet to keep track of him. But basically to start copy trading him, just click on copy trade right here. You then get this sidebar. Make sure you have lightning mode on because it makes your copy trading super rapid. Make sure you get in right after the wallet you are tracking purchases a token, which is very important. You can then set a max buy amount or a fixed buy amount. I prefer to have it fixed, so I set the fixed buy amount at 0.15 sol, which is like $30. I kept it at auto sells, meaning I sell my tokens whenever the wallet I'm tracking also sells his tokens, but you can also choose not sell if you don't want to sell, or you can customize your own take profit or stop loss if you want to be selling at certain percentage targets. If you open advanced settings, I also put the minimum market cap at 50k because I don't really want to be trading any like super tiny market cap tokens. Once that is done, just click confirm. That's all you need to do. You're now copying this wallet as well. Makes it super easy. So far the bot has been working great. If you want me to put this bot to the test properly, do like a week straight where I put $1,000 to the test of copy trading different people to see how much money I make or lose, similar to what I did with the Nova bot a few weeks ago. Do let me know down below and I will get that up and running. But so far I've been very impressed with this feature. GmGn is a great trading bot overall that I really like. So the fact that they have this copy trading feature as well, which seems to be working really well, is really cool. Now do note that copy trading is really tricky. You don't want to just take the easy route and copy the biggest wallets, because chances are they have hundreds if not thousands of people already copying them, which makes it quite hard to make money. You want to find the kind of wallets that goes under the radar, that probably doesn't have a ton of people already copying them, and you do want to do a lot of research on the wallets before you actually put any money on it. Another application I recommend you to use is Cielo Finance. On here you can copy paste any wallet address into Cielo and it shows you a lot more details on the actual wallet, and there are also other platforms that allows you to go deeper into researching different wallets, but I'm not going to be focusing on that today specifically. But a few key things: do make sure that the wallet you are tracking is not a bot. Do make sure that he actually trades with some volume and not just has 0.007 Solana in his wallet. Do make sure that he doesn't just buy and sell tokens within a minute, just leveraging all the people copying his wallets. And obviously only invest what you can afford to lose, because you never know what might happen. Copy trading at the end of the day just depends on the wallet you end up tracking or copying. Sometimes you may get lucky, sometimes unlucky. There is no guarantee that you will make money doing this, but it is a really good way to find new interesting tokens and potentially make some money in a fairly hands-off way. So GmGn probably has the best copy trading feature that I have personally tried on any of these trading bots. So if you want to put it to the test, sign up with my link down below. Let me know down below if you want to see like a 7-day $1,000 challenge with copy trading on GmGn. If you enjoy the content, smash a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.